Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news both Turkey and Bitcoin have taken a sharp re-rating lower today. But first in the US, new jobless claims fell to 239,000. The number of people on these claims is now 1.75 million, and back to pre-pandemic levels. These new levels are about what was expected. And the Philly Fed Manufacturing Survey reported buoyant conditions and continuing fast rising cost and price rises. New order levels were strong there, and the Kansas City Fed Factory Survey wasn't so upbeat, however, still growing but at a slower pace. However, they too reported strong new orders, high cost and price increases, and a very tight labour market. All this American data is consistent with the Conference Board's leading index, which rose sharply in October, suggesting the current economic expansion will continue into 2022 and may even gain some momentum in the final months of this year. The Canadian ADP payrolls report for October was stronger and an improvement from September, but not every sector shared in the bounce back. In Vancouver, panic buying has emptied stores in a city now cut off by debris on major highways and rail lines. The province's death toll of 1 is now expected to climb. The military is due in the area soon to assist in the rescue efforts. In China, infrastructure investment is very weak now, growing just 1% year on year in the first 10 months of 2021, and it could slip further, they say. In Turkey, their central bank slashed its one-week repo auction rate by 100 basis points to 15% during its November meeting, following a 200-point cut in October and a 100 basis point cut in September. The move was as expected after Turkish President Erdogan, who backs an unconventional theory that high interest rates cause inflation, vowed to fight for lower interest rates as his country grapples with inflation at near 20%, and well above their midpoint target of 5%. The Turkish currency, however, is down almost 11% in November and is falling further today, adding to their inflation and educating their president. US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.58% and 2 basis points softer than this time yesterday. The price of gold will start today down $6 at $1,861 an ounce. And oil prices are also a little softer at just under $78 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now on $80 a barrel. But the Kiwi dollar opens today firmer at just on 70.3 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're up another half a cent to 96.7 Australian cents, so that's a 1 cent gain in 2 days. Against the euro, we're a little changed at 61.9 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 74.8 and up 40 basis points since this time yesterday. And the Bitcoin price has fallen again since this time yesterday, down 4.8% to $57,466. In New Zealand dollars, that's a drop of more than $10,000 in a week. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.